Hi, it's another unboxing video and I have got September's edition of Glossybox. And we've gone back to the pink box that we normally get. Now this is the box that I paid for. If you're new to my channel, I was kindly offered PR boxes a couple of months ago, which means I get them a little bit earlier. But I also kept my subscription running because I don't know how long these things last for. So every box that I pay for, I put up for a giveaway. And normally I get the PR boxes first, but I haven't received mine yet. So this one came and this is the one that I paid for. So if my PR box arrives, there will be another Glossybox giveaway this month. So if you're new to Glossybox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. I will add a timestamp down below. So if you're used to me rambling on about what the subscription is and showing you what the box looks like and all that jazz, then you are free to skip forward. I'll just put it down in the description and I'll put it down actually in the comments as well. So that's fine, so you can do that. It is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a box and £3.25 postage and packaging. You're free to cancel anytime. It's one of the cheapest boxes I have, and it's a box that I've had the longest. I've had it now about 18 months or so quite a while. I do like it. Some months are better than others, as what you'd expect with some subscription boxes. They do have a good mix of items inside. You get 5 beauty products. Occasionally you might get an added bonus, but it's generally 5. The boxes range from £50 plus really for the contents, so £13.25 for the box. You do get a good value's worth. It depends on the contents and whether you like it or not, whether it's good value for money or not. That's for you to decide, but I am happy. I generally like a Glossybox. There's a couple of things I don't, but generally overall I think they're amazing, and I love the boxes as well, especially the special ones. So I'll open it up and show you what's inside. Yes, that's what the inside looks like. It comes with a little card like this, and it tells you everything about the products inside this box. It tells you how much it costs, whether it's a full size, sample size, and it also gives you a sneak peek for next month, which I'll show you in a little while. So this is how it comes. Oh, it looks a bit rough and ready. I think something's squished in there, but it's fine. So you have a lovely bow and then a sticker. Give you a quick look first, show you what we got. So as always, I put it down to the side of me, grab an item, pick it up, show you, and then I refer to this card. So going back to the card, this is the back to school edition. And it says, it's the start of a new beauty school year, and our expertly curated edit of 6 products will help you to prepare to get organised this September, whether you're heading back to work, university, or tackling the dreaded school run. These handbag essentials are perfect for a quick fix before you hurry out the door or while you're on the go. The sneak peek from October, it sounds a good one. The colours are a bit woo, but look. I won't say in case you don't want to know, but that's what we're getting. Woo! Hopefully you can see there. So the first item is an item I'm really excited about. It's a Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co, and it's a lip liner in Rosewood. So a few months ago, Glossybox did a collaboration with Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co, and they created their own beauty box. I think it cost like £25 for subscribers or £30 for non-subscribers, and it contained all this brand new makeup range. Now I got to see the box, I got to try it, I got to unbox it, and I absolutely loved it. The lip liner is gorgeous. Now I think this is super expensive. Not the sort of price range I would go for in makeup. Hold on, let me see how much it is. Yeah, £25. That is quite a price, isn't it, for a lip liner? But it is good. I do really like it. It is really, really lovely. We had a red one. So this is, ooh, this is like a dusky pink type colour. So that looks like there and there. Oh, it's gorgeous. Very similar to the colour I'm actually wearing on my lips today. It is so lovely, really nice. You can see there, nice and soft. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, like dusky pink purple. No, I love it. I love the fact that I got another one. £50 worth of lip liners, my gosh. As I said, it's super pricey, isn't it? But then it is a designer brand, I suppose. So the information in the booklet says that this would cost you £25 from modelscocosmetics.com. We love the creamy formula and subtle colour too. Apply directly to the contour of your lips to create the illusion of a fuller pout. So that's our first item, so now I'm really chuffed. Second item, something large. Pure and Fabulous, and this is by Wild Garden. It's Water Lily 15ml natural spray. So it's a perfume. Oh, I love the packaging. That's really nice. Oh, look. It's got a little tag on the back there. Let's open it up. Oh, nice. Nice big size as well. I wonder if this is a full size. I love this. Look at the top. Woo! So let's have a spray. Oh my gosh! Do any of you have Chanel Entendre? What is it? Chance Entendre, the pink one. I've got it, and it smells like that. Or smells similar, very similar. If any of you have got it, let me know if you think the same as well. Oh, I love it. Really do, really like it. Oh my gosh. Perfumes are so hit and miss, aren't they? I mean, not everyone's going to love this, but fortunately for me, I flipping love it. I think it is gorgeous. I wonder how long it lasts. That's the key, isn't it? If you like a long-lasting spray, but then it's small enough to pop in my handbag. But no, I'm curious if you think it smells like Chanel Chance, the Entendre one, if I've pronounced that right, then let me know, because I'm curious. But no, Pure and Fabulous, I've never heard of them. So what's it say here? This is a full-size item, and the recommended retail price is £12. With notes of pear, water lily and warm amber, this brand new perfume will transport you to a beautiful wild garden. Apply to your pulse points of your body for a floral spritz. No, absolutely love that. Oh, good. So the next item, oh, something quite practical and something to pop in your handbag, definitely. So this is Wet Ones, and these are Be Fresh, refreshing for hand and body. They're 12 antibacterial wipes. So that's there. Now I know what I'm going to do with these straight away. I'm going to give them to my daughter, pop in her handbag, because she's always saying, school is disgusting, mum. There's marks all over the walls, the food on the door handles, stuff like that all the time. Although she's only just started back in school, so hopefully they've had a good clean over the summer. This is a full-size product, and the recommended retail price for this is £1.19, so this might be like our added bonus then. They kill 99% of bacteria and are gentle, dermatologically tested and pH balanced, meaning they are suitable to be used on your hands, body and kids too. So no, quite a handy thing to put in a box. It's this Bang Beauty, something rather large. What is it? We've had Bang Beauty before. And it's, I have seen a press release. I should know these, shouldn't I? But I saw the press release a couple of weeks ago, and I'm not allowed to tell anyone. So I should know what I'm getting. I do know though that in this month's box there is a load of items. I'd say 10 maybe, I guess. So not everyone will receive the same, unfortunately. So you might not get the same as I did. If you're interested in this box, I will get the press release and I'll take a photo of the actual full contents, so you know which items you might be getting. So I'll pop that on my Facebook page, which is just Diary of a 40 something, and I'll pop that up there later. But no, this is a eyebrow gel type thing, cream. So nice packaging. I forgot to show you the outer, but there you go, quite a large little jar there, and you got a little brush. So this is dark brown. Ooh, again, this is quite a dodgy thing to put in a box, because not everybody has dark brown eyebrows, and I don't tend to go for dark brown. But oh my gosh, that is dark. That is really, oh my gosh, that is dark. That is really dark for me. Unfortunately, I don't think I'll be able to use it. I tend to go for more like taupe type of colours. So let's see. I love this brush as well, quite nice. Oh, it feels nice going on. Yeah, I might be able to get away with it like for texture. So for creating like a textured brow look, so different colours, if you know what I mean. So going for lighter and darker, which I tend to do. But no, I'll see what that's like. How does it? Oh, it's got amazing staying power. That is not budging. The recommended retail price for this is £16.80, and it is a full-size item. The eyebrow cream has a I can't talk. The eyebrow cream has a velvety consistency that applies effortlessly. Oh my gosh, right. The eyebrow cream has a velvety consistency that applies effortlessly. I can't normally say that word. so you can get HD brows at home. It also comes with an angled brush for applying thick defined brows that stay in place day and night. I am a bit gutted that it is a little bit too dark for me, but I'm impressed. That is such a great product, and I think I could get away with maybe using it in certain areas of my eyebrows. The next is something I've had before, and this is Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox, and it's a 50ml exfoliating pre-wash treatment. And I can't remember, maybe I got it in a advent calendar last year, or maybe a subscription box, I don't know. This is a deluxe mini which can be bought for £7.37, but the full size of 190ml is £28, and it says the pomegranate enzymes are natural castor oil beads, remove impurities that block your roots to create the perfect environment for healthy hair growth. We also love that it's vegan friendly and cruelty free. Use 1 to 2 times a week as a pre-wash treatment. Now why can't I remember me trying it? Oh yeah, no, it does ring a bell. It's got like, it's more like an exfoliator. Oh, and it smells gorgeous, so no. Can't remember my thoughts on this, so I am happy to try it again. It just smells gorgeous. No, nice. So our last item is a face mask, and it's a sheet mask, and it's by Beauty Pro, and it's detoxifying, bubbling, cleansing mask with activated charcoal, suitable for all skin types, deep pore and blackhead cleansing, refines pores and reduces oil, suitable for acne prone skin. Not really suitable for me, but because I don't have acne anymore, but I've got massive pores, so I might give it a go. Lightweight sheet mask, dual action mask, cleansing and purifying. So no, and it's cruelty free as well. So there you go, hopefully you can see there. So what's it say in here? So this is a full-size item, and the recommended retail price is £4.95. Using activated charcoal and extracts of lime, lemon, apple, orange and grapefruit, this mask is a wonder for detoxifying your skin, refining pores and reducing oil. Sit back and relax while the mask bubbles to create a micro massage which works deep into the pores and cleans away blackheads. This mask is dermatologically tested and cruelty free. I might actually give it to my daughter, although it's the bubbles that I'm interested in, but it's more suitable for my daughter, I think. So no, I've got to be kind. I've just received Mask Time, which is a subscription box with a load of masks in there, so I can't be greedy. I'm gonna have to give this to my daughter. But no, so those are all the items, so I'm just going to gather them all up and add up all the cost as well, and I'll be back. So those are the items. We got 6 this month, so I reckon these tissues, I'd say the cheapest might have been the added little extra that we got. But whoa, this box comes to around £65, so that is amazing value for money, and some really lovely items as well. Can't wait to try this Paul Lagerfeld, who the heck is Paul? Karl Lagerfeld lip liner, and yeah, the bubble mask. That perfume is my favourite, I think. Absolutely gorgeous perfume. And yeah, the brow as well, that's really good. It's just a dark colour for me, but never mind. And that scalp detox, I'm going to try that tomorrow, see if it invigorates my scalp and makes my hair feel better. But no, really chuffed actually, really chuffed. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this month's box, and if you've got anything different to me as well, so I'd love to know that. But if you want to see what Glossybox are doing this month, or the list of the products that might be in boxes, then check out my Facebook page. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I've done a marathon video week this week. This is my 7th or 8th video I've posted up, so yeah, so I'll be back down to maybe once every few days next week. It depends on when the beauty boxes come in, but I've still got a few to unbox, so look out for them. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.